You're telling Buddhist brothers, sisters, we should be 21st century Buddhist. That means, in the past, in many Buddhist countries, we carry Buddhism like more tradition and some ceremonial way. That's not sufficient. Quite often you see some Buddhist brothers who recite Heart Sutra, but without knowing the meaning. Some my Japanese friend told me openly, everybody, Japanese Buddhists, everybody used to recite Heart Sutra, but without knowing the meaning. So many Tibetans also, you see, like that. So therefore, now we must pay more study. What is Buddhism? What is Buddhist sort of structure? Some Western Buddhist scholar, they say Buddhism is not religion, but Buddhism is science of mind. And to some extent that is true. So last 30 years, I have serious sort of discussion with modern scientists. Now over 30 years, as a result of this meeting, both sides get benefit. We Buddhists get a lot of sort of information about matters, including quantum physics. Wonderful. And the scientists about the consciousness, human psychology. Firstly, ancient Indian psychology, very rich. So Buddhism, Indian psychology, part of Indian psychology. So therefore, the scientists say information about mind or emotion and to tackle these emotions, the scientists found much benefit. So therefore, unless we study, we do not know these things. Pray to Buddha will not bring wisdom here. Study, study, study. One Tibetan scholar, he expressed, in order to sharpening your mind, the recitation of Manjushri mantra, 1 month retreat, he mentioned, in order to improve your sharpness of mind, 1 month retreat of Manjushri, good, but much better, 1 month study is much better. He mentioned that. So that's, I think, absolutely true. So please pay more attention. Study is very, very essential. Clear? So as far as Tibetan Buddhism is concerned, 300 volumes Buddhist text, about 100 Buddha's own word, 100 volumes, then 225 volumes commentary wrote by mainly Nalanda masters. And then Tibetan ourselves, I think, written books, I think several thousand. So this shows just to pray Buddha or simple meditation is not sufficient. We must use human intelligence maximum way, through that way transform our emotion. Transformation of emotion need effort, constant effort. In order to carry constant effort, you need enthusiasm. In order to develop enthusiasm, you should know the real purpose And the way, once these things are clear, then enthusiasm develops. So something vague. Or some say, oh, this is Buddhahood. Oh, you should recite this and you should offer me more money. Nonsense, nonsense. That's old-fashioned. I totally against that. Oh, thank you, thank you. Goodbye.
Bless you.
I usually
下一个
describe Buddha Shakyamuni. One aspect of Buddha Shakyamuni is, of course, our Lord. One aspect of Buddha Shakyamuni is ancient great philosopher and ancient great thinker and great scientist. So first time he found quantum physics. So further explanation about quantum physics made by Nagarjuna on the basis of his teaching. So he never emphasized just faith, study, use our intelligence. So we can consider him as a scientist. So we Buddhists should be scientific minded. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.